Hello guys, today's topic for the video is gates. Okay, so let's discuss about gates in digital electronics. I hope you all know what are digital electronic circuits diagrams. Digital electronics basically are the system in which we are just trying to understand that how my system is organized. For an organization of a computer organization, we need to know the different components of a computer system. The different components and the basic unit for designing your processor are gates, and these are the logic building blocks. So simple definition for gates आप कह सकते हैं कि ये एक logic building blocks. Now, what are the different types of gates and which are very, very important? Please don't go on my writing because just scribbling like a student on a board, right? So we have OR gate, we have AND gate, we have NOT gate. Okay. Now, out of these gates only, OR, AND and NOT, we can derive a NOR gate. We have a NAND gate. And we have a NOT gate. There is a NOT gate actually. We also have two more gates which are also very, very important gates, which are XOR and XNOR gate. Okay, so the first thing you need to know that these are the logic gates. So we have to know that these are the basic logic gates. We have OR, we have AND, we have NOT, we have XOR, we have XNOR, and we have NAND. So simply we can say NOR is the reverse of OR gate, NAND is a reverse of AND gate, XOR and XNOR are the reverse. I'm sorry, I beg my pardon. The XNOR gate is reverse of XOR gate, we can say. Okay, so and NOT gate. NOT gate, I'll tell you just now. NOT gate is just the reverse, just to reverse the input of any circuit. We use NOT gate. Okay, so let's go and move further and try to understand these gates, that how their logic circuits are being drawn and how they behave through circuits. Now first, if I talk about the first is my AND gate, suppose. Okay, now let's talk about the AND gate. Okay, so we need to think that how AND gate will behave, right? So we always say AND gate behaves like a simple multiplication and OR gate behaves like a simple addition. Now what does that actually means? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Actually इसका मतलब हुआ that AND gate is basically we are talking about. Now suppose there is an X variable, कोई एक X variable हम ले लेते हैं और उसकी वैल्यू है 0. Okay, so this behaves as an input for a gate. Okay, now trying to say that AND gate, how AND gate behaves, and now suppose I want to take the two variables and how the AND gate behaves. I want to show you that. Now see, I'll just make a simple table for you all. Okay, so simple table for this is, we take two inputs, okay, X and Y, and we make an AND gate. Now how, and the symbol for X gate, we use a dot sign, and this is how we make a table for a AND gate. Now Let's try and derive AND gate. Before that, let's try and make a circuit, or we can just draw a simple OR gate, AND gate. Now, if we are having two inputs, 0 and 0. So, two inputs means in computer science, there is a very simple formula you all need to know. If we have n inputs, right? If we have n inputs, then we can say the total number of combinations possible is 2n. मैं इसको सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोलना चाहूंगी कि अगर हमारे पास n इनपुट्स हैं तो हम टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस जो बना सकते हैं वो 2 की पावर n. ओके, सो दैट मींस इफ वी से if we are having, देखिए, if we are having only single variable, so 2 की पावर, if we have one input, 2 की पावर 1, so that means we have only two inputs. Okay, two combinations and one variable. And if we are saying that if we are having 2 की power 2, if we are having two variables, then we can make 4 combinations. Now, अगर मैं वन वेरिएबल की टेबल बनाने की कोशिश करूंगी तो आप देखेंगे वन वेरिएबल में आई हैव ओनली x, I'll take 0 or 1. Okay, so this is how the one variable means. Two variable. Now talk about the two variables. If we talk about this, see this. So we say 2 की power 2 means how many combinations possible? 4. Now suppose if we are saying that if we are having suppose 2 की power 3, 3 inputs are there, then 8 possible combinations. 8 possible means that means उसमें हमारी टेबल जो बनेगी वो x, y and z. We would be having the 3 variables. That means it gives me the 8 combinations. वैसे भी आप देखिए अगर मेरे पास 2 वेरिएबल है तो मैं उससे कैसे combinations. अब we say computer only understands, now try to rub this, our computer only understands 0 and 1. So we say हमारा कंप्यूटर तो सिर्फ 0 और 1 ही समझता है. So if we say that if our computer understands only 0 and 1, so using these two variables we are able to make the table for two variables. Okay, so two variables means these can be the combination possible will be 0 0. Okay, 0 1 1 0. Let me rub this also. I hope you have understood. If we have 3 variables, then we are having the 8 combinations. Now let's see. Then we have, let me, okay, I again repeat, please don't go on to my writing. Just try to understand the content, and if you are able to understand or not understand, let me know in the comment section. Then comes 1 1. Okay, now moving these two variables, we got 4 combinations. So we say we have two input variables, x and y. X and y, that means we have taken two variables 0 and 1, and the combinations possible for these two variables are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. I hope you have understood what I mean by saying the variable and the combinations possible. Now try to understand the AND gate table. 0 0 gives you 0. Okay, I just initially said that x dot y dot is a sign for AND gate. This means that we are simply or logically doing a multiplication between these two terms or variables. So 0 0 gives you 0. 0 and 1 gives you again 0. 1 dot 0 gives you 0, and 1 into 1 gives you 1. So this is my AND table. Now moving to the circuit diagram of an AND gate. Okay, how do we design a circuit of an AND gate? Now we'll try to understand the AND gate, how AND gate behaves. Now let's try and make the AND gate first. We have two inputs. Okay, so we need two inputs. One input, second input, and this is how it is being made. It's just, जैसे हम लोग simple D बनाते हैं. The way we used to make a simple D is a AND gate. So we have two variables, X, Y, and so this is suppose any combination. अगर ये दोनों combination we have 0 0, it gives you 0. अगर ये हमारा 1 1 होगा तो हमें 1 मिलेगा. अगर ये हमारा 0 1 हो या 1 0 हो तो हमें 0 मिलेगा. Okay. So that means AND gate says we only get a single one when both the inputs are 1. So when two inputs are 0 0, we'll get a 0. One input is 0, we get a 0. Again one input is 0. That might be possible. Either first variable can be 0 or second variable can be 0. If any of these variable is, one of the variable is 0 or both the variables is 0, we get 0. If both the variables are 1, then only we'll get a 1 in the AND gate. So this is how we make a circuit for an AND gate. So simply this is an AND gate. Okay. So this is the way how we make a AND gate. Moving ahead for OR gate. Now here only I'll just try and tell you about the NAND gate. So it becomes easy for you. Now here only I'll explain you the NAND gate. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि AND gate, if we, we have NAND gate, that means we say the opposite of AND gate. So whatever output we are getting in the AND gate, we are just providing an extra column here. And we are saying X, I'll just rub it for your convenience so that it becomes easier for you to understand. I'll make an extra column for a NAND gate here and try to understand through a NAND gate that how we make a NAND gate here. Okay, so we make an extra column here and we are saying that a NAND gate is an opposite of a AND gate. That means the output. And you can give an output to any variable also, no issue. आप इसको f से स्टोर कर सकते हो, किसी के अंदर भी इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू को स्टोर कर सकते हो. f ले लिया, z ले लिया, any variable. Now try to understand how this behaves. This is x dot y, the opposite of this. That means a bar. A bar or x dash is represented by a bar. Let me again tell you, a bar or an, this just a, a dash sign you are taking, a bar sign you are taking. This signifies the opposite, okay, the complement, okay. So if my variable x is 0 and if I put a bar on x variable, that means my input will get reversed. If my variable have a value of 1 and I just reverse it by putting a simple bar on my variable, the value gets complemented or reversed. I hope you have understood. When we say a 0 or 1, that means we are saying that it is complemented or just reversed. Now try to use this same thing into our gate, NAND gate. So in the NAND gate is just the opposite of AND gate. Now how does it behave? So here we just simply do the complement. The opposite of 0 is 1, the opposite of 0 is 1, the opposite of 0 is 1, and we are having the opposite of 1 is 0. So this is my NAND gate. Now let's draw the logic circuit. Just draw the logic circuit. This is my AND opposite. AND opposite. This is my AND opposite, that is x dot y bar. So this is my NAND gate. Okay, I hope you understood. X dot y is AND. I can store this into any variable, any function, You can see in books, you can take any variable as a function and you are just storing this input into an output, and the output function is my f. So this is my AND and this is my NAND. So simple opposite of AND gate is my NAND gate. Now I will, in my next coming video, I will explain you what is the difference when we put a circle. A circle represents a complemented variable. Okay, that means you are complementing a variable. Now what is the difference if you put a NOT before an AND gate and after the AND gate? We'll discuss this in my upcoming video. So for today, I just want to give you a summarized view that gates are the logic, building blocks for making any computer system, and gates are the basic building blocks for designing any circuit. The basic gates which we use are AND, OR, NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR, and we have a function table, we have a logic diagram. So this is an AND and NAND gate wherein we have tried to explain a two variable table for AND and NAND gate along with the block diagrams. I've also told you that a value gets complemented if we put a bar on any variable. Okay, we have also discussed that if we are having a single variable, we have two combinations possible. That means if we are having two variables, then we have four combinations. If we have three variables, we have 8 combinations, and if we have four variables, we have 16 combinations, and so on. So that means if we want to generalize this view, that means we are trying to say that the n number of inputs always gives a combination of 2 की power n input. And always remember, for digital electronics or computer organization, this is a very, very important statement. An n input variable gives you a 2 की power n combinations possible. So this is my 2 variable map. So thank you so much guys, and I really appreciate your feedback in my comment section. Do like it, and what you want next as a topic to be understood, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.